Spall are fragments of a material that are broken off a larger solid body. It can be produced by a variety of mechanisms, including as a result of projectile impact, corrosion, weathering, cavitation, or excessive rolling pressure. Spalling and spallation both describe the process of surface failure in which spall is shed. The terms spall, spalling, and spallation have been adopted by particle physicists. In neutron scattering instruments, neutrons are generated by bombarding a uranium target with a stream of atoms. The neutrons that are ejected from the target are known as spall. Mechanical spalling occurs at high-stress contact points, for example, in a ball bearing. Spalling occurs in preference to brinelling, where the maximal shear stress occurs not at the surface but just below, shearing the spall off. One of the simplest forms of mechanical spalling is plate impact, in which two waves of compression are reflected on the free surfaces of the plates and then interact to generate a region of high tensile stress inside one of the plates. Spalling can also occur as an effect of cavitation, where fluids are subjected to localized low pressures that cause vapor bubbles to form, typically in pumps, water turbines, vessel propellers, and even piping under some conditions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.